It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 1st of February. I'm Michael Groff. A cloudy day ahead, but temperatures pretty close to seasonal averages. We'll see a cold front moving through the area by tomorrow that will lead to an increase in wind. Some isolated to widely scattered showers across the eastern part of the state, but here in Phoenix, the chance of rain is rather low. Then we will turn sharply cooler tomorrow night and Thursday before a warming trend takes over for the weekend. Let's talk about it first. Before we get into it, though, we just wrapped up the month of January, so let's take a look at those climate stats for you. And if January 2022 felt a little bit on the warm side, that's because it was overall the 12th warmest on record here in Phoenix with an average temperature of 57.7 degrees and just 0.12 of an inch of rain in the bucket officially at Sky Harbor, so it made it the 28th driest overall. Looking at those climate stats from yesterday, 70 degrees the afternoon high, 47 was the morning low, and that's almost right where we ought to be. 69 and 47 are the normals. Taking a look out there right now at 8:30 a.m., mostly cloudy sky across the Phoenix area, and we're at 52 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 28, relative humidity 40%, the winds are light, and the barometer 29.86 inches and falling. The upper air look this morning shows troughing to the north of the state, beginning to dive our direction. And that westerly flow out ahead of it, yes, we do have plenty of mid and high-level clouds around today, and those will continue into tonight before they move east tomorrow. The watch warning map, oh boy, we've got a number of winter storm watches and warnings extending from Colorado and New Mexico across Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, all the way up to New England. Also, blizzard warnings over parts of North Dakota and Minnesota. It has been a brutal winter up there. Now here across Arizona and extending into southeast California, we do have a wind advisory. That's for tomorrow, some gusty winds to around 40 to 45 miles per hour out there. So if you're heading west on I-8 or I-10, be aware of the gusty winds and that ever-present possibility of blowing dust. The convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather, hardly any thunder to be found, maybe a little bit there along the Louisiana coast. And checking out precipitation for the next 7 days, no rain expected here in the valley, and not really a whole lot statewide. A little rain and snow possible with this system tomorrow across the eastern mountains of our state, but significant precipitation not expected anytime in the near future. And we'll talk about why that is right now as we get to the models. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Troughing out here across the west, descending to the southeast. You see that wave approaching Arizona and a big ridge out across the North Pacific. That will remain a very dominant feature. A blocking ridge will just set up there and keep the storm track away from us after tomorrow. So for us down at the surface today, yeah, cloudy sky, not much sun to be had, but they're just mid and high level clouds. No rain expected. High temperatures today should be in the mid to upper 60s. Tonight, cloudy through most of the night, then decreasing clouds late, overnight lows in the 40s to around 50, and then tomorrow, partly cloudy sky. Yes, widely scattered rain and snow showers over eastern Arizona. There is an outside chance we might see a passing shower across northern and eastern Maricopa County, including the outlying areas of the Phoenix area, but chance of any measurable rain here is very low. High temperatures tomorrow, though, will be cooler with increasing wind, highs low 60s. All right, now that'll set the stage tomorrow night and Thursday morning once that cold front passes by for a very chilly night. We start the day out on Thursday in the 30s. The coldest valley locations could see some frost. And then a cool, breezy day on Thursday with high temperatures only in the mid to upper 50s. Friday morning, again, we'll start out in the 30s, but a warming trend will begin to take over. Highs getting back into the low to mid 60s, mid to upper 60s on Saturday with mostly sunny sky. And Sunday, highs pretty close to 70, ridging building in here across the west. So conditions will be dry. Same thing on Monday. Dry conditions, sunny sky, highs low 70s. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 8th of February. A big ridge up across the Northeast Pacific and the Gulf of Alaska. And that is going to keep the main storm track away from us. You do note there's a wave north of Arizona that's flattening out our ridge here across the southwest. But that's not going to have any impact on us. So high temperatures would stay pretty close to seasonal averages if that's right. Then going out 10 days, this is Thursday, the 10th of February. That big ridge in the North Pacific expands more out into western Canada, the west coast of the United States, and North America for that matter. So again, a northwest flow and the main storm track stays far away from us with a deep trough in the east, a high amplitude pattern. And those things are very slow to break down, so No precipitation expected or no meaningful chances of precipitation anytime soon. And we see that as we take a look at rainfall for Phoenix coming off of the European ensemble. And this goes out through the 15th of February. The ensemble mean is right around 0.15 of an inch, and many of the members show nothing at all. And temperatures off the national blend of models. Yeah, a bit cooler, especially tomorrow and Thursday. Then that warming trend takes over through the weekend and into next week. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And of course, as always, I invite you to check out my streaming station. It's called KMGX. We play a lot of music, have a lot of fun over there. Myself and the one and only Michelle, we work round the clock to put that together for you. It's a labor of love. All right, thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a glorious Tuesday.